Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to track time in Upwork. In this video, we will demonstrate how to track your time in Upwork and we will also do a walkthrough of Upwork's new interface. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these things. To track your work in Upwork, you need to install the Upwork desktop app. You can use the Upwork desktop app to track your time, chat with clients, and you can also use Zoom video integration for high quality video calls. Click on the login button on the top right corner. On the login page, from here you can continue with your Google or Apple account, and if you don't have an Upwork account yet, then you can sign up from here. Now here, enter your Upwork username or registered email ID and then click on the Continue with Email button. On the next page here, enter your password. And if this is your personal computer and no one else is using it, then you can tick this box, which is Keep Me Logged In. If you don't remember your password, then use this Forgot Password link. And in case you changed your mind to log in with any other profile, then you can change it by clicking this Not You button. And finally, click on the Login button. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to this page. This is the job feed page, which can also be called your dashboard. You can access this page anytime by clicking on the Find Work tab on the top left navigation bar. Upwork has recently changed their interface and they have made a more flexible user interface with some advanced features. So before proceeding further with our video, let's first do a walkthrough of this new interface. On the top navigation bar, you will see 4 tabs which are Find Work, My Jobs, Reports and Messages. If you hover your cursor on the Find Work tab, you can access Find Work, Saved Jobs, Proposals, Profile, My Stats and My Project Dashboard. If you hover your cursor on My Jobs, then you can access My Jobs, All Contracts and Work Diary. If you hover your cursor on Reports, then you can access Overview, My Reports, Billings and Earnings, Connects History, Transaction History, and Certificate of Earnings. And the last is the Messages tab, from where you can communicate with your clients, agents, agency and others, and you can also share files with them. Use this search bar to search across jobs, talents and products. And from this drop down, you can set the search categories. Next is the help icon. You can visit it for knowledge-based articles, community, forums, and you can also raise a dispute and view its status here. Next is the direct contract icon. You can now create hourly direct contracts for your ongoing projects. Hourly direct contracts let you enter your hours manually without having to use the time tracker. Next is the notifications icon. Here you will see all alerts and notifications. And lastly is your profile icon. If you click on it, then you will see your profile pic, your full name along with the type of profile. From here you can switch between online and invisible, which is sometimes very important during chats with clients and agencies. If you have multiple profiles, you can also switch it from here. Below is the settings button and lastly is the logout button. Now let's move on with our video about how to track time in Upwork. Click on the help icon and then click on help and support. Now on this page, from here you can choose your account type for a more personalized service. You can select between I'm a freelancer, I'm an agency, I'm a client and I'm an enterprise client. Continue with I'm a freelancer and scroll down and you will see the help categories. Now in these help categories, click on apps. On the apps page, you will see 3 categories: mobile app, desktop app and integrations. The one we need to focus on is the desktop app category. Here we have links for troubleshoot desktop app, activate screenshot and webcam for Mac OS, Mojave and newer, about the desktop app, install the desktop app, log time with time tracker, troubleshoot desktop app Linux, troubleshoot work diary, and lastly, use screenshots. These pages are all related to our video. Let's first install the app. Click on the Install the Desktop app link. On this page here you can see that Upwork says, to make work more convenient, we developed the Upwork desktop app. This app lets you track your time, message with clients, and use our Zoom video integration for high quality video calls. You may have to temporarily disable your antivirus software and close any unnecessary programs that are running on your computer to complete this download. The Upwork desktop app is available for 3 operating systems, which are Windows, Mac, and Linux. First, you need to select your operating system and then install the app. The installation process for all operating systems are the same. We are continuing with the Mac option. Here you will see the setup instructions. Click here to download the app. On the next page, from here verify your OS and then click on the download button and your application will start downloading. The setup file is a little bit large in size, so it may take some time depending on your internet connection's download speed. After the download is done, install the application by following the instructions and then launch the application. After launching the application, you need to log in. From here you can continue with your Google or Apple account, or else here enter your Upwork username or registered email ID and then click on the Continue with Email button. On the next page, here enter your password and then click on the Login button. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to the Contracts page. Recently, Upwork had done a big change on this contract page. Now this application will only show your hourly contracts. But if you need to log time for fixed price contracts, you can enable it in advanced settings. To do so, click on the gear icon in the left bottom corner and then click on Settings. On the Settings page, click on the Advanced tab and enable the slider of Track Time on Fixed Price Contracts and then close this window. Now the Contracts page will show you all your running contracts and then select the contract for which you want to record your work time. Now on this page, enable the slider to start tracking your time. And then here you will see that this timer has started and it will show the current session time. Below you will see how many hours you have worked today, and here you will see how many hours you worked on this week. And if the client has set any weekly time limit, then it will also be shown here. Now here you can write a memo to help your client find out what you're working on currently. Here you will see the latest screen capture. When you enable tracking your time, this application will take screenshots at regular intervals, approximately at every 10 to 15 minutes. If you want to see all your screenshots, you can view it by clicking on View Work Diary. And in case if you have already started working on this client's project, but you had forgotten to turn on this tracker, then in such cases you can add the time manually by clicking on this Add Manual Time button. So this was a complete walkthrough of the Upwork Time Tracker app, and with this we have completed our tutorial on how to track time in Upwork. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.